Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to add an account recovery phone number on Best Buy. We will also put links in the description below for Best Buy deals and promotions for you to check out. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. To start, open the website bestbuy.com. Then click on the account option. A drop-down list will appear and you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see a notice saying Add your recovery phone number. To proceed, click on Add your phone number. Now, enter your recovery phone number on the field provided. Then click on Continue. A verification code will be sent to the phone number you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Continue. That's how you add an account recovery phone number on Best Buy. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.